guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo. I am hoping everybody is doing fantastic and having a great week. Today is the 13th day of the 40 days challenge. So I was at a grocery store and I sighted these amazing baby artichokes and I couldn't resist to buy them and make something out of it. So there you go, guys. So I will be showing you lemon and garlic sauteed baby artichokes today. They're healthy and absolutely delicious. So once you cut the artichokes, they oxidize very quickly, which simply means that they start turning black. So to prevent that, you need to get them into some form of acid as quickly as possible. So in my case, I'll be putting them in some lime water. Spare bowl for garbage like this. And I'll show you how I'm going to cut these. There you go, guys. I cut the baby artichokes into half and slipped all the pieces into the lime juice so they don't oxidize. Let's prepare the base to cook these artichokes. So it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of water, some garlic, some lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some oregano. Mix all these well. Now let's coat the mixture to the baby artichoke, guys, like this. Make sure it's well coated. Slip in these into the hot pan with the oil and the mixture. Add some pepper and some salt. Turn these face down like this. Cook it for about 3 minutes. Once they start to caramelize like this, close the lid and cook it for 5 more minutes. Pop some water and cook it for another 2 minutes. They're ready to get off the heat. There you go, guys. My beautiful lemon and garlic baby artichokes are ready to go into my tummy now. So I got a chance to taste these beauties at a friend's place a few months ago, and ever since cooked it so often at home as a snack or a side dish. This is also one of my most favorite American side dishes. So do try it and let me know how it turned out, okay? My today's 2 cents is beauty. Beauty is skin deep. I think exterior beauty fades away. So the only beauty that you will have to live with all your life is the beauty that is skin deep. So remember that beauty is not just what you see, but what you feel and what's inside you. So remember that. On that note, see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.